This footage was captured on April 11th, 2023. A solo hiker set out along an unmarked trail in the Blue Mountains, New South Wales. He wasn't expecting what came next. He was documenting his hike with a chest-mounted camera. The forest was silent, blanketed in a thick, unnatural fog. As night fell, visibility dropped. He noted in his voice logs that the air felt unusually still. Then, at 7:46 p.m., the camera captured something strange. A faint rustling to the left of the track. A dark figure, possibly upright, moved just beyond the trees. Too tall to be a kangaroo, too fast for a person. He made camp, but the sounds didn't stop. Heavy, measured footsteps circled his tent just before midnight. The following morning, he retraced his steps. The trail looked different. Symbols carved into trees, rocks stacked deliberately, forming an arrow. The final 15 seconds of footage were glitchy. The lens caught a blur. Tall, hunched, bipedal, then static. The hiker was never found. Only his GoPro was recovered, still recording, buried in the mud, facing the tree line. Was it a hoax, a hallucination, or something that walks the fog? This is Caught Off Path. Subscribe for more real-world encounters.